Hello, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Compass, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then you'll find your battery located under this air intake. So you might want to remove this so you can better access your battery. So we'll set that off to the side. Then here's your battery with your negative terminal and your positive terminal, which you can also double check the battery because there'll be a positive here and a negative symbol there. Next, I'd double check these terminals for any corrosion. If there are, you might want to clean that off with a good brush or a rag on both terminals. And then I would double check these are tight as well. So if these are loose, that'll be an issue, so you want to tighten them up on both if needed. Then from here, with either your jump box or your jumper cables, you'll take your metal clamps and you'll have the positive metal clamp directly in contact with all this metal here as best as you can, and then your negative clamp with contact with all this metal here as best as you can. And if you're running these jumper cables to another vehicle, make sure that the vehicle's turned on all the way and running. And then you'll run your positive clamp to the positive clamp on the other battery's terminal, and then your negative directed to the negative on the other car. You want to do your best to not crisscross these by mistake, because that could cause damage to your electrical systems, computer systems, fuses, things like that. But all that said, once you've had these connected for a while, 3, 4, 5+ minutes, with good metal connection on both ends, hopefully that's gotten enough juice to get your car started. If you've been trying this for quite a while and you're still not having success, you might need to replace this battery, which, fortunately, this is a pretty accessible battery. You just have to loosen these connections to remove them, and then lift the old battery out, set your new battery in, retighten everything, and then you should be able to go. And then, of course, when you're all done, make sure you don't forget to reinstall this little system here. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.